Happy Thanksgiving. I'm Curtis Plumbeck, and today I'll be showing you how to make a large charcuterie board at Antoinette's Garden, the Wine and Coffee Lounge. I'm here with Antoinette's Garden, and today we'll be making the charcuterie board. We are starting out with, this is pork saucisson, which is a French sausage. We also serve it with the duck saucisson, as well as local cheeses that are actually from the Amish in the area, as well as a French cured ham, fruits, olives, and a couple other different types of cheeses. We actually have 3 or 4 different types of cheeses. They're all surprisingly good. The Amish around here did a really, really good job with it. And then our meats are actually from, I believe it is a farm in New Jersey that does a lot of organic and just does a really good job with their meats. Alright, so this cheese is actually a smoked cheddar. It's aged for 6 months. It's really, really good. This one's my personal favorite. We also have Colby Jack, Pepper Jack, white Colby, white cheddar, yellow Colby, and yellow cheddar. I recommend cutting them about 1, maybe 2 centimeters thick, and probably about half this length. So that gives you a good sense of the flavor of the cheeses, as well as gives you enough to pair it with other things, such as the meats, fruits like the apple. It's really good to pair it with. My personal favorite combination is the smoked cheddar, the duck saucisson, as well as an apple. They're really, really good all together. So this is our pork saucisson, then our duck saucisson, as well as our French cured ham, our smoked cheddar is next. Our white Colby, So this is our large charcuterie board. So the best way that you can substitute the meats is just change it out with another type of sausage or whatever your favorite meats are. And for the cheeses, you can actually get the cheeses at whatever grocery store you like McKay's or something like that. You can pick whatever your favorite ones are. And the sharper the better, especially when you're dealing with wine or salty things. So if you have something salty like the meats or the cheeses, that goes really well with wines. It makes them a little bit sweeter, so it pulls out more of the flavor. My favorite way to make these boards is to work my way from the outside to the inside, especially when it's a circle. But if you have a square object or something like that you're putting them on, you can layer them from the outside, working your way in, and that's a really pretty way to do it. But you can actually design it however you'd like. Um, there's a lot of different ways to design it and make them really look pretty. Each person that we have working here, all the bartenders, have their own way of styling it, and they all come out beautifully.